In order to schedule a repair with Repair My Moonwalk, there are 3 easy steps. First, email us pictures of your repair so that we can see exactly what the repairs are needed and how long it will take, and then we can send you an estimate or a quote on how much it will cost. Second, you can call us at 770-787-1869 in order to schedule a day for your repair and find out if our schedule is open when you need it to be repaired. Third, you can fill out our customer repair form online at repairmymoonwalk.com.